What's up, guys? Today I got my friend Todd here. He works for Buywise Auto Parts, and that's where I get all of my stuff from. And today he brought me some tools for brake lines. I am doing a brake lines. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to be doing brake lines on a Jeep. But he's going to demonstrate the tool, the line, how to, what is this, bubble, flare?
So what we're going to do is we're first going to make a bubble flare, then we're going to make an inverted bubble flare. This is an SUR&R brake line, copper nickel, bends very easily, so you can bend it with your hands. You'll also bend it with your tool. Lifetime warranty, doesn't kink when you bend it. First thing we did is we cut the line. So I'm going to take this.
That's the cutter he used right here.
I'm going to clean the burrs out of it real quick. Make it nice and clean, and now we're going to flare the line.
So he showed you the line. This is the pistol right here. PFT409, okay? That's what we're looking at. And this is mine. It's not free though, right? I wish it was free. Let me take this apart. And it's a nice little box. I can throw everything out of there and put my RC stuff. Alright. I'm gonna hold it. Let me open up this time. Let's see what's in there. There you go. Did you hold this upside down or that's good?
No, this is perfect.
Alright.
This is perfect. We just got to put everything back where it belongs real quick. This is the flaring tool. Comes with 10 of these flaring connectors. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everything's there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything's there. So let's start and
what is this? This is
just part numbers.
Part numbers.
Replace it. Let's make a flare.
Let me just show them the pistol. That's what's in there. Alright, we're gonna put this down.
Put this down. Pull down. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, take the pistol grip out. We're going to take the 3/16 die, which is here. I'm going to place it in the device. It's magnetic, so when you turn it upside down, it's easier to work with. Now we're going to take the line that we want to flare and slide it through. So slide it through, we let it stick out just a little bit.
Like a 1/4 inch?
No, even less.
Less than that?
Just stick out a little bit. It's going to end up flat, so we want to just stick out a little bit. Okay?
Let me show that on the camera. So that's how much it's sticking out. Barely you can see it. It's like probably a little bit thicker than a 1/4. Put it that way.
So then step 1 is we want to put this flat against there. So this is the step 1 device. So we go like this, and we make it flat. Okay. Now I'm going to crank this down to tighten it so it's in the vise tight.
Take a look real quick. So first what you did was, what did you do when you flushed it pretty much even to this,
made
right?
it flush, yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to make a bubble flare with this die, and this is always going to be step 1. Okay, this releases. Now, if you can look inside, it made a bubble flare.
Oh yeah, bubble. Bubble in there.
So now that, if you need a bubble flare, you're done. If you need an inverted flare, now you go to step 2. This is cone shape, will invert the bubble and make a nice inverted flare. Now it's an inverted flare.
Perfect. It's like magic.
So now we'll take it apart. There you go, perfect flare every time.
That's what I needed for the last 10 years.
That's a nice flare.
It's a good one.
That's a nice flare. So
We're done. All right, that's it, guys. It's magic. This little guy is worth it. And you can get this into tight spots, right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, you get into tight spots.
Right. You get in tight spots and it swivels.
And you don't need the tool I used to use. I used to turn it in there. A lot of times it will crunch to the side.
Right.
It will do crazy stuff. So all that is eliminated, I guess.
Yeah.
Perfect.
This is going to make making brake lines a pleasure.
All right, perfect. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And here's part number again for the tool. And the line, where's the line?
So the line comes in 25-foot rolls, and then you could just unroll it and use what you need.
All right.
You can actually go from the master cylinder right to the caliper.
All right, perfect.
Okay.
Peace out. Bye-bye.